All right, so if you are here at the teacher model, that means you have completed your guided notes on learnersdictionary.com and on your handout. And so now I am going to give you all instructions for what to do for the CRQs. So it says Cora. Good, maybe you'll like it better. Harry, maybe. The point is, they said we'd fail. They said the Martians would resent our invasion. But did we find any Martians? Not a living soul. Oh, we found their empty cities, but not one living Martian. A river of wind submerges the house. When the windows cease rattling, Mr. Bittering swallows and looks at the children. Oh, there he goes, shaking the house again. Describe Harry in scene 3. Highlight text evidence in green. All right, now I have to answer this question that says, describe Harry in scene 3, highlight text evidence in green. I said that Harry is afraid and doesn't like being on Mars. Evidence. This should be in quotes and taken from the text. I know this because line 46 says, Bittering swallows and looks at the children. Again, this needs to be in quotes, so you see that my quotes are here. And I took this again from line 46. There are other examples that show that Harry doesn't like where he is, but I decided to use this one. This is another example that Harry does not like Mars. It says, maybe you'll like it better. It's basically Cora telling him that he doesn't like it, but she's hoping that he will be optimistic. So let me go down to my analysis. It says, make a connection between your answer and the evidence. This should be in your own words. Oftentimes in fiction, an author will use this to show that someone is fearful. Gulping or swallowing shows the reader that Harry is afraid or nervous. So all I did was I put these two together, basically, and explained this evidence in my own words. Basically to show that I know exactly what I read, and that I'm able to make a connection. Now it says, how does Harry's reaction in comparison to his wife's build suspense? Remember, we just learned about what suspense means. Let's scroll up. Suspense is a feeling or state of nervousness or excitement caused by wondering what will happen. A feeling or state of nervousness or excitement caused by wondering what will happen. All right, let's go back down to explain. How does Harry's reaction in comparison to his wife's build suspense? This is my answer. It builds suspense because we wonder if Harry's behavior is justified. Meaning we wonder if Harry is tripping or if he really is having a reason to not like Mars. Because his wife is acting like everything is okay. Here's my evidence. I know this because line 47 says, oh, there it goes, shaking the house again. Here's my analysis. This shows that Cora is not afraid and she's actually very calm. This makes me question who is right, Cora or Harry. Harry, should they really be afraid? So it makes me nervous or excited to find out, like, is Mars going to have aliens that are going to eat them alive? Are they going to get swallowed by a giant black hole? Like, I'm wondering, why is Harry so scared and why is she so calm? All right. So I just explained how I will do the CRQ questions. You all now have partner work where you are going to complete the rest of this handout with a partner, and then you'll have an independent portion where you'll do the last bit by yourself. Do remember that you have an exit ticket at the end of this lesson, so it is very necessary that you are paying close attention and that you are really engaged in the work so that you are able to do well on today's exit ticket. So at this time, I'm going to dismiss you into partner work if you have finished watching me. And when you get into partner work, you should be at a level 1 voice, meaning you should not be loud, it should not sound like you're outside, and you need to make sure that you are on task. If you have any questions, please feel free to raise your hand, and Ms. Nelson will come over and assist you.